Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. So this is the Patreon giveaway winner announcement for the month of February, just in time for the end of the month as usual. So all Patreon supporters supporting at the $2 level or more are automatically added to a random giveaway each month, and you're going to get a prize pack of some sort. It's going to vary month to month. So this is what I've got for you, the winner this month, which I will announce shortly. Let's go through the prizes really quick. As usual, I still got a few more of these Paracord, awesome Paracord buckles to give away with that hidden blade in the buckle. Super awesome. It's going to come in the original packaging, of course. I just took it out because this thing's too shiny. But anyways, yeah, it's going to go in there. So you got that. And then this is just a drilled out ferro rod. You can use it as a fire starter. So it's just going to come on a simple piece of paracord like this, but you can take it off, of course, and incorporate it into a buckle, or sorry, bracelet of some sort. I have a tutorial on how to make a fire starter bracelet, so you're going to get that. And of course, the usual Weavers of Eternity fish hook keychain. This one I did in a slightly different look with the white paracord and the natural brass finish. And of course, it's got the custom stamp tag on there and the two key rings. I really like the way this one turned out, and for the winner, I hope you enjoy this as well. So, yeah, I've selected my winner, and the winner is, drumroll please, Nisi D. You are the winner. So, congratulations to you, Nisi. I will get this mailed out to you. I will contact you via email. So, yeah, keep an eye out for that. I'll get your shipping details, and we'll get all this stuff sent out to you. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for supporting me on Patreon, and thank you to all people supporting me on Patreon. You guys are making a big difference. A lot of ups and downs on YouTube, and you guys are really helping me out. So thank you for the support. Congratulations to the winner, and if you're interested in supporting me on Patreon and you want to see what I have to offer, you can check out the links down below. And that's that. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next video.